What's going on? It's Bapetown. I don't think they ready. First off, let me just say, much love to all y'all for showing me love on my last video.
I love y'all. I'm gonna go up on the look. Yeah.
I'm an island boy, I'm a Fashion Nova boy. I put my
Seems like y'all really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. Reacting to some Bape TikToks. For sure I'm gonna be doing some more, so be on the lookout. So I was thinking, your boy hasn't done a Bape boxing video in a while, and today I got to get one readied up and shipped out. At the same time, I got a few boxes that came in, so let's see what I copped. Let's get it. Alright, so here's some of the boxes that came in today. Let's open these bad boys up, see what's in these. Sometimes Bape be shipping my stuff in weird orders, so sometimes I don't know what's coming in. Ah, okay, these are slides. The Bape high-end stock camo slides. In that beige colorway, you can see the stock camo on the upper. If I remember right, it came in 3 other colorways as well. Black, OG green, and the pink. Kinda remind me of the Yeezy slides a little bit. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, we got that Bape Galaxy UFO tees. Got a couple of sizes. Hold up, let me open one of these bad boys up and give y'all a better look. There it is. We got that big ape head graphic with the UFO beaming that light down. And what's clean about this shirt, this light beam, it glows in the dark.
The United States of Space, because I ain't stopping at the moon.
Here's the back. Here at the bottom we have a Bathing Ape. And then on the right sleeve, we have the Bape Galaxy logo. And what's clean about this is that it reflects.
M-A-R-S, Mars, bitches.
Alright, onto these bigger boxes. Now I'm pretty sure these are Bapesters. Yep, the Bapester Pastels. Here the blue colorway. You know, when these first dropped, people slept on them. But now they're kind of slowly building up. Here's the pink colorway. Yeah, these bad boys is clean. Now real quick check, these 3 boxes, all Bapester Pastels. But these boxes over here, the 28th anniversary Bape Bear Brick. I actually haven't seen this in person yet. So let's open this bad boy up. And there it is, with all the different camos. Got that 28 on the chest, Ape head logo on the back. Very nice. Alright, those are all the new boxes. Let's get this box readied up. So here's all the stuff I'm shipping off today. The Bape Galaxy tees and the slides that I showed y'all. The Tokyo First KAWS tees, black and white. You know we still got that giveaway going on with these tees. Link in the description. Ape head slides, I got them on right now. Available on the site. The Ape head 3D tee. Now this dropped around the same time Bape announced their whole Bapetiverse project. Let me open this bad boy up, give y'all a better look. A clean screen print of a 3D ape head. Got nothing on the back. A cool tee, but it looks like somebody hit him in the face.
I'm not that young. Which one of y'all kicked me?
And last, the Bape Detroit 2 Big Sean tees. Damn.
Elsa?
FBI, open up!
Got the mouse. First camo yellow shark hoodie. 2022 Spring Emooks. Yeah, what's in this one? I'm not too sure. Oh, damn. These the New Year's bear bricks. I've been waiting for these for a minute. Kinga Shinen. Happy New Year. Kai-un, good luck. Shofuku, blessing. and a Bathing Ape 100 400% 4-pack.
Konnichiwa, bitches.
Alright, let's open this thing up.
God damn! The sun is deflecting all this ice. I can't see a motherfucking thing.
So in this set, we got the gold colorway. Looks like the gold one resembling that traditional Japanese Maneki Neko, which basically is a cat that brings you good luck. You know, I love metallic bear brick colorways, even though these bad boys collect fingerprint marks like crazy. And then the silver one, resembling the Daruma doll. Same thing, symbol of good luck. If you look at the face though, one of the eyes is colored in. You color in the other eye once you've achieved a certain goal in your life. If I had to choose out of both though, I think the silver one for me. They both clean though. And here are the baby 100%s. Alright, well, I thought I could fit everything in one box. Just gotta make another box, ship off the rest of this stuff. Well, you guys, another typical day with your boy. As always, appreciate y'all watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!